Hello there, everyone. I'm Curious Carl, the most adventurous character you'll ever meet. Today, I want to introduce myself and share some of my favorite hobbies. Are you ready? Let's get started. First and foremost, I absolutely love exploring the great outdoors. There's something magical about feeling the wind in my hair as I chase butterflies or climb tall trees. Adventure is out there, just waiting for us to discover it. But that's not all. I have a passion for art and creativity too. Drawing is one of my favorite hobbies. With just a pencil and a piece of paper, I can bring my wildest imaginations to life. I love creating characters and magical worlds where anything is possible. Oh, and let's not forget about my love for music. I enjoy playing different musical instruments, like the guitar and the drums. Music has the power to make our hearts sing and our feet dance. It's a wonderful way to express ourselves and bring joy to others. Last but not least, I'm a bit of a bookworm. I'm always diving into exciting stories and fascinating facts. Whether it's a thrilling adventure or an educational book, I love getting lost in the pages and expanding my knowledge. So there you have it. I'm Curious Carl, the adventure-seeking, art-loving, music-playing, book-reading cartoon character. I hope you enjoyed getting to know me and my hobbies. Stay tuned for more fun and exciting adventures. What is the name of the cartoon character? What are Curious Carl's favorite hobbies? How does Carl describe his love for exploring the outdoors? Name 2 musical instruments that Carl enjoys playing. According to Carl, what is the power of music? What kind of stories does Carl enjoy reading?